Alright, so what's good, y'all? It's Sneakertronics coming at you with my first review of a sneaker. First off, I'd like to show House of Hoops, Seattle, Washington. Picked them up, grand opening, and I could not pass up on these. As y'all know, Air Foamposite 1, size 10. Retail was $200 right there. Nike Sportswear box. Here's the original receipt right there. Very clean. Alright, so let's quickly get into the shoe. I also picked up a House of Hoops Seattle t-shirt as well, and 2 Elite socks, which I have a bunch of Elite socks as well. I'll just quickly show you those to you guys. I also have a navy pair right there on the bottom. I just want to show you guys these real quick because, got a red pair, 2 black pairs. I just wore my other black pair today. White pair, and another white pair, which I just, they're a little beat, but it's all good. So yeah, here are the shoes real quick. They are the Nike Foamposite Cough Drop editions. Very, very clean overall. So yeah, let's quickly get into the review. We have this nice Foamposite, kind of like a grayish material color, which is really nice. Got that Foamposite material. Quality is second to none. Just that beautiful quality, which I really do like. Not really a midsole, which is I really like about this shoe is it's very different. Got that nice carbon fiber material right here. It's actually a really heavy duty carbon fiber, not like that cheap carbon fiber you see on like Jordan brand nowadays. But you have like a nubuck material going all around the eyelets, which is real nice. Red Nike swoosh right there. We also have a red line going all the way up, which is a mesh tongue. Black laces, and the red line leads all the way up to the 1 cent right there in red, with 4 red lines on the on the tongue for the pull tab. Very nice. Mesh inner lining with the let's see, you got a Nike Air in the inside. Very nice. Moving on to the back, we have the 1 cent on the back as well, with the 4 red lines, pull tab in the back. Also another hit of the carbon fiber plate right there. Moving on to the sole. The sole, we have a red translucent sole, which is a very nice red. And in the middle we have the black traction in the middle. We also have the 1 cent hit right there, and Zoom Air right there. Very nice. Very clean quality shoe. I can't complain. I can't complain about the Foamposite. Definitely got to pick myself a pair of the eggplants. And so yeah, definitely please stay tuned for more new pickups. I'll have plenty more to show you guys. Alright, this is Sneakertronics, and please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will hit you guys up later with more new pickups. Peace.